let's just go to the vise and stretch the spring out, because that's what I did on the other side. So this is part 2 of the assembling the hardware, brake kit, whatever, the brake hardware on the rear of the 1969 Cadillac Eldorado. It has the shoes and not calipers, although it does have the calipers, which are single piston units in the front. Here's how you stretch a spring. Hook this end firmly in the vise. Got like something like this, and push it out. Springs themselves are pretty good. I stretched them out quite a bit, and they just returned to the normal size. They didn't deform. I gotta stretch them out even more. Okay, now they deformed a little bit. Let's see if that's enough. There, now there's more space in between, made it longer. Let's see if that's enough. Problem with this is, you know, you do it differently on one side. So on one side it might actually be like have a little more force than the other. Okay, I think that's pretty good there. There you go. That's that one. Shut the fuck up, you retards. And this one goes over to the... see if I can do it by hand, like without having to stretch it. It'll stretch out anyways, you know, but doing this, it's just easier to stretch it on the vise than to stretch it here. So see, it's just too far away. No way you can put that there. So off to the vise, stretch it out. I feel like perhaps it just needs like a little bit of stretching to sort of warm it up. I feel that sometimes. Sort of feel that. Once you just play around with it, like stretch it and shrink it a little bit, it sort of becomes like more springy. Maybe it's true, maybe it's just bullshit. No, I do think this is true. I do think that's right. And it certainly feels so here.